Welcome, in front of me is a HAFURY GT20, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings, and from there we're going to scroll all the way down to System and select Advanced and Reset Options. And then here you'll find Erase All Data, Factory Reset option. Once you click on it, it gives you a list of data that will be removed with this process. So if you have anything from this list that you'd want to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made a copy or you don't want to, you can select Erase All Data. If you have a screen lock, you will need to confirm it. And then select Erase All Data once more. And this will begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.